welcome back. In today's video I am going to just do a simple braid out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use the lock method. You guys already know. Honey Baby Naturals. I'm going to use this, my go-to, which is the Camille Rose Naturals Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. Working it in, and then all I'm going to do is split it into 3. This is my first one. That's how I do my braid outs, just like that. Yes. Just a drop of oil. Just so you guys can see. You guys, guess who's here? Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Wait a minute. Who are those?
T-Fam.
T-Fam. So,
T-Fam.
do you want to tell them how your first day of school?
Yeah.
First week of school?
First week of school. I haven't put my shoes. I was first school.
You wore shoes, huh?
Okay, we'll put my shoes. I'm gonna go now. Okay, okay. Oh, mommy, I'm coming in. Mommy, I will go in. You will bring back. All right.
Okay.
I will be back. I will go before school. I will do my papa. I
I
did.
understand what he's saying. If anybody have the gift of interpreting what he's saying,
I know
get your girl up.
I did pick your girl up. Pick your girl up.
Okay. Tell them goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
So that's it.
Bye, T-Fam.
So be blessed.
Be blessed.
Alright guys, I'm back. I'm dressed. Honey, I gotta take this good old hair down. Yes, I am running late. Y'all already know. You know, don't get brand new on me. Your girl running late for my daddy's birthday party. Happy birthday, Daddy. My daddy is a 61-year-old, honey. And he looks darn good to be 61. Thank God for 61 years. I'm gonna use a little bit of this to take my braids down. So yeah. So I'm gonna start back here, take these good old braids down. Let's see, honey. To help battle. See that? that's a very good product. I have no complaints about anything of Camille Rose. Okay guys, yeah, I'm just about done. Woo! Just about done. All right, very defined. Here's the back. Until the next video, guys, y'all be blessed. Bye.